Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where x cube plus x square is equal to 36, or x cube plus x square. Taking this 36 to left side, we can get negative 36 is equal to 0, or x cube plus x square. Attention here, the nearest cubic number of 36 is 27, so we can write here negative 27 negative 9 is equal to 0, because negative 27 and negative 9 is equal to negative 36. Or rearranging left side, we can write here x cube minus 27 plus x square minus 9 is equal to 0, or x cube minus 27 can be written as 3 cube, because 3 cube are same as 27, plus x square minus 9 can be written as 3 square, because 3 square are same as 9 is equal to 0. Or we know a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So we can write here x minus 3 times x square plus x times 3 plus 3 square, and again we know a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So we can write here x plus 3 times x minus 3 is equal to 0, or x minus 3 times x square plus x times 3, that means 3x plus 3 cube, 3 square, that means 9, times x plus 3 times x minus 3 is equal to 0. There have a plus. Or now taking common x minus 3, we can write here x minus 3 times x square plus 3x plus 9 plus x plus 3 is equal to 0, or x minus 3 times x square plus 3x plus x, that means 4x, plus 9 times 3, that means 12, is equal to 0. Now there are two cases, so we can write here x minus 3 is equal to 0, or x square plus 4x plus 12 is equal to 0, or x is equal to, taking this negative 3 to right side, we can get positive 3. So finally the value of x1 is equal to 3, and here we can apply quadratic formula. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over twice a. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 12. So x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 4 square minus 4 times 1 times 12 over 2 times 1, or x is equal to negative 4 plus or minus 4 square, that means 16, minus 4 times 1 times 12 is equal to 48 over 2, or x is equal to -4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 48 is equal to -32 over 2, or x is equal to -4 plus or minus 32 square root of 32 times square root of -1 over 2, or x is equal to -4 plus or minus square root of 32 can be written as 2 times 16 times square root of -1 is equal to I over 2, or x is equal to -4 plus or minus square root of 2 times square root of 16 I over 2, or x is equal to -4 plus or minus square root of 2 times square root of 16, that means 4 I over 2, or x is equal to -4 plus or minus 4 square root of 2 I over 2, or x is equal to, taking common -4, we can get 1 plus or minus square root of 2 I over 2. This 2 divided by -4, we can get x is equal to -2 times 1 plus or minus square root of 2 I. There are two cases, so x2 is equal to -2 times 1 plus square root of 2 I is equal to -2 minus 2 square root of 2 I, and x3 is equal to -2 minus square root of 2, -2 minus 1 minus square root of 2 I is equal to -2 plus 2 square root of 2 I. So we can get three values of x. x1 is equal to 3, x2 is equal to -2 square root of 2 I, and x3 is equal to -2 plus 2 square root of 2 I. Thank you for the watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.